Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about HTTP headers. Okay, so let's go to, we'll just look at one here. The accept request HTTP header advertises which content types expressed as MIME types the client is able to understand. Using content negotiation, the server then selects one proposal, uses it, and informs the client of its choice with content type, response header. Browsers set adequate values for this header depending on the context where the request is done. When fetching a CSS style sheet, a different value is set for the request than when fetching an image, video, or script. So what they're saying is when it's requesting a CSS style sheet, it's a different value than if you were to fetch an image, a video, or a script. Okay, so that's headers. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.